welcome back to a special episode. This is going to be a giveaway of all the scripts and everything up to this point in time. Now, there's going to be a few things I want to say. One is my voice will sound a bit croaky just because I've just woken up basically. Haven't had anything like tea or coffee this morning, so I'm tired as. So yeah, that's just why it's going to sound a bit croaky and stuff. Sorry about that. Anyway. The second thing is, by downloading this, you actually get the, I put the networking example thing here, just for you to play around with. Obviously that's just going to be the runnable, but I am actually going to delete it now, because it's not needed. I've gone through all the scripts, I will have to say this much, and added a little line. I'm just going to show you what that little line says. I'll open up inside here actually. We'll just open this one up. Why not? It doesn't really matter. They've all got the exact same line or all the scripts that I wrote, and that's all the scripts right now. Obviously not including the plugin scripts. I've not written this on those. But here I've just written the line saying made by Brian, which is me, and then give my obviously username. And I'm just saying this code can only be used for private use. Because this basically essentially states that I would really appreciate if people didn't go out and, I don't know. This is why I don't like doing this, because I feel if I could do it at the end, I felt what's done, it's dusted, right? But now I feel like it's almost, you could go and use it in your own like series. I mean, you start your own YouTube series, and it just kind of feels a bit empty to me if that would happen, because it feels like it's not really your code. So I just would just ask just quickly that if you are using this code, I'm fine for you to use it for things like school projects and stuff like that, stuff that's private. But any stuff where you're kind of giving it out, at least give credit. If you're going to do that, at least say, oh, I got this thing from this person and stuff like that. That way, at least some credit is due. And if you could, obviously, link back to the YouTube channel, that would be great. That's the only thing. It all works perfectly. You got everything up to episode 40. Oh, damn, I gotta check this. Sorry. What episode is it? It's like episode 43. Oh, and congrats on hitting 145 subs. I'm going to do a video on 150 most likely. I don't really do a lot of these videos because I'm not too sentimental about these things. I really appreciate it though. So episode 43. So this is going to be everything up to episode 43. There'll be a few things I got to mention you. Obviously when downloading, there's going to be a bunch of inconsistent lines just because I just did it quickly and it did it through Express. So there's going to be a bunch of those, and you may have to, like, it won't really matter, but every time you open it, so you sometimes have to format it. If you're still getting that problem, all you do is just go, is that a format button? Come on, always. Gee, it shouldn't be too bad, I would imagine. Yeah, there's no. If not, you can simply just double click them and they'll say what they are. Obviously, there's all the scenes. This is what I'm going to talk to you about. No, I mean merge. There we go. So with this thing, I gotta say that it's not done. The champion select is not done. It just spawns the players. It has nothing else it does. So make sure that when you guys are downloading this, that you understand that you will obviously need to follow the next few episodes. But this is a really good start for those who are kind of into the series and was a bit late and didn't really want to start from the beginning because it's quite a long series, or had a few problems and want to check up scripts and stuff. So I'm going to have 2 links in the description. The first link is going to be the whole thing. The second link is just going to be all the scripts. That's just for people who have their own version and have their own prefabs and all that stuff. They're just missing a few parts of the scripts, and you can download all the scripts. That way, it's easy to download and stuff like that. I will say these images, these UI stuff isn't mine. It is like a few of my friends and stuff. They built a bunch of these UI. It's fine for you guys to use it, I guess, but just don't say they're yours and stuff like that. And there's due credit in the description below, of course, to these people. And they'll actually probably, yeah, so there's going to be a readme file under the thing, and that's just basically just going to state, well, here are a bunch of rules about it and stuff, so make sure you read that if you're going to, like, do anything that would kind of break the private use thing. Other than that, that's it, basically. Thanks, guys, for watching. See you guys next time.